What's up, Diamond Nation? It's your girl Britny here, back with another video. So today I'm going to be using this Unice hair. This is their Kisses hair series, and I'm going to be using, well, they sent me their lace frontal water waves texture in 20 inches, and then 3 bundles in 22, 24 inches. I'm sorry, you guys. But this is how the hair looks. It's a beautiful texture. For this look, I'm going to be using the 22-inch bundle. So my hair is it just has like some oil and leave-in conditioner in there. And I'm just going to start by parting off the crown section, and I'm going to go in with a dimming brush to detangle my hair a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with some edge control, and I'm going to be using my new diamond drip edge tamer, and it's available for pre-order, you guys. I will put the link in the description box down below, and you guys can see, you know, the shine and the hold and how it looks and how it works and stuff like that. But yeah, it's a really good edge control, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that in a ponytail, little bun or whatever, and I'm going to follow up and do the same steps on the outer, you know, the perimeter of my head. And I'm just going to apply edge control, just showing you guys a close-up look. Again, it's called a diamond drip edge tamer, and I will link it in the description box down below. And then I'm just using that to slick my hair up. So this helps with natural hair. You don't have to go in and press your hair out. You don't have to go in and blow your hair out. I didn't blow my hair out. I didn't do anything to my hair. I just applied the product. And I'm just showing you guys how it really slicked my kitchen up in the back. And then I'm going to go in with a hard bristle brush, and I'm going to brush and smooth all of that up, and so I can put it into a little small bun. Okay, so now I'm taking this edge control brush, and I'm just going to smooth down my edges and style them the way that I want them. I usually like to do swoops. As you can see, I didn't have to add any additional product on them. It was enough already on there. You literally just go in with the brush and brush it down. It's really simple. I'm 100% natural, you guys. But I'm taking the end of the bundle and I'm wrapping it around the base of the ponytail first, and then I'm going to continue to wrap the track around the base of the ponytail until it's all the way wrapped around. And then once I get to the end of the track, I'm just going to take a little piece of hair and wrap it all the way around. And this just helps so you can avoid using bobby pins if you don't like using them. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Now this will look cute just like this, you know, but I'm not going for that look today. So I'm just going to twist the hair up, and then I'm just going to wrap it around itself and to create a top knot bun. Now, just to spice it up, I'm going to take these chopsticks that I got from the beauty supply store. They were like $1.50. I don't know. I think most beauty supply stores should have them. I'm just sticking them in my bun. And then I'm taking out like 2 little pieces on the side because I personally just like it like this. You don't have to do it. Do what you want to do. But that's the final look, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like my page and everything like that. Love you guys, Diamond Nation, and I'll see you in the next video.